Okay, today we've got a bit of a problem. I've got the car in reverse with the handbrake on very firmly, so I'm going to show you what I'm about to do on the Volvo. We've got a flat tyre, and unfortunately the wheel brace, came with the car, is too large for it, but I always carry a good wheel brace just in case the wheel nuts have been air gunned on and they're difficult to remove. So the car's a V70 Volvo Mk2, so I'm going to try and change the tyre using the equipment, the jacking equipment that Volvo give us. I could just go in the garage and pull out a trolley jack, but I think this video might be more useful to anyone stranded at the roadside. I'll just get down so you can see where to put the jack. You see the jack's got a little hook there. Now there's a lug here and there's another lug here. So I'm going to select the lug in the centre of the car . Lug in the centre of the car. Oh, crikey. For jacking. Oh, it's difficult doing this one-handed. And bullseye. We're now located on the lug. So we need to keep the plate at the base flat with the road as we wind it up. See, the plate's flat, the handle there, I will twist clockwise, taking care not to graze our knuckles on the surface below. Oh, it's taking a bit of force, this. Heavy car though, that's to be expected. So I've got the car jacked up just a little bit higher than I need. The idea of that is the replacement wheel, which incidentally isn't the spare which I'm going to fit. There's a bit of a twist to this. I do actually have a spare alloy here with a fully inflated tyre. So, given I can't use the regular tool, I'll liberate the wheel nuts with this. So I've removed all the wheel nuts, pull the old tyre forward. Can't see what's causing it. What I'm going to do is remove this, so I'm just going to give it a little push. Always pays to remove them if you're taking it to a tyre fitter. I have had one damaged by a tyre fitter in my time. So then we'll line the new wheel up. Now, there's no special trick to this, but we've got to lift it on the rim. See this? Oh, I'll show you. We need to sit the wheel on this part before we get the nuts. So have a look at your wheel, line up the nut holes, and then in one lift put it on. So I've got the wheel on now. Next step's just insert the bolts using your fingers. It's impossible to damage a bolt using finger strength, hand strength alone of this size. Yeah, the reason I always carry this tool is you never know how tight the wheel nuts are going to be, so you need a good tool, plenty of leverage to assist in the process. Next step is to tighten. I'll do that off camera. Okay, I've tightened them a little bit to start with. They're reasonably tight, but I haven't gone for the full torquing because the car's still on a jack. So I'm going to withdraw the jack and then proceed to tighten the wheel nuts. Be careful at this stage if you value your paintwork. You can make a mess on the way out. There we go. Just fold it flat for storage. Right, now we've got the car on the ground, we can tighten the wheel nuts. Oh, I know I've got a longer tool. Right, it's getting pretty tight, even on the jack. I just tend to work my way around them. Go around a couple of times. These are not the kind of things you want to fall off. And it works when you tighten one up. You can effectively make another one a bit looser as you're pushing the wheel towards the hub. Go back to the beginning just for good luck. Okay, well, I hope that helped. If you're in need, stranded anywhere, you can probably change your own tyre quicker than the AA or any emergency service. Any breakdown service can get there. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.